Good morning to all of you. Myself Karthik Sharma today in front of yourself to solve some numericals based on frequency modulation. So let's start. So here is our first question in which a single tone FM means frequency modulation is given by the voltage equation Vt is equals to 12 cos into 6 into 10 raised to power 8t plus 5 sine 1250t bracket close. So here single tone FM means if the message contains only a single frequency, then it is called as single tone FM. And we have to calculate the following: modulation frequency, carrier frequency, modulation index, maximum deviation, and the power dissipated by this FM wave in 10 ohm resistor. So let's start. As we know, the general expression for FM wave is given as A cos omega c t plus kf integral 0 to t xt dt. Here A is the maximum amplitude, omega c is the carrier frequency, kf is the frequency sensitivity, and we know the modulating signal xt is given as xt is equals to Vm cos omega mt. Here Vm is the maximum amplitude and omega m is the maximum frequency. So by putting this xt in equation 1 and integrate it, we get this equation, which is now st is equals to A cos omega ct plus kf Vm sin omega mt upon omega m. Here this part is coming when we put xt into here and then integrate it, then we get this. So, and we also know that kf is equals to that kf into Vm is equals to delta omega, and delta omega upon omega m is equals to mf. So by put it into this, we have kf here, kf and Vm becomes delta omega, and delta omega upon here omega m becomes so by putting this into this, we get st is equals to A cos omega ct plus mf sin omega mt. Now this is our general equation. Now by comparing it with our question, here comes our general equation. Our question is Vt is equal to 12 cos 6 into 10 raised to power 8t plus 5 sin 1250t. Now we compare these two equations and we get A as 12. We get here A as 12, carrier frequency as 6 into 10 raised to power 8, modulation index which is FM, which is MF as 5, and omega m as 1250. So let's solve our question. So the first part we have to solve is modulating frequency. So modulating frequency here is given as modulating frequency here is given as 1250, and it is in radian per second, and we know the formula that omega is equal to 2 pi f. So fm is equals to omega m upon 2 pi. On calculating it, we get 199 hertz. So it's our modulating frequency in this question. And our next part is carrier frequency. So for calculating carrier frequency, we see that our carrier frequency omega c, which is equivalent to 6 into 10 raised to power 8 here. So it is also in radian per second. So for finding carrier frequency omega c upon 2 pi, and by calculating we get 95.5 hertz. Next we have to calculate the modulation index, which is clearly given as 5, so our answer is here 5. And next, the maximum deviation, which is given as which we know the formula Fm is equal to delta m upon omega m, which corresponds to delta omega equals to mf into omega m, and we put here omega is equal to f, so we put here omega is equal to f is equals to f, so we get delta f is equals to mf into fm, which corresponds to delta f is equals to 5 into 195, which is our 995 hertz. So here the end of this question, and thank you and have